Hello Red Apple Girls, Ashley here, and welcome to the video. Today, as of filming, it is March 21st, which means it's International Color Day, and to celebrate that, I wanted to create a makeup look using all of the colors. And by all of the colors, I mean red, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I will begin by saying that this is not a serious video, this is just for fun, so if that's your sort of thing, continue watching. To begin, I will be applying the Appley Ever After lipstick. This is a gorgeous red color. It's actually newer to our collection, and it's a newer personal favorite of mine as well. Next, for pink, I'm going to be applying the Twinkle Toes lip gloss. Red Apple lipstick has a lot of beautiful pinks, but this one has a shimmer to it, which I thought would be fun to try. Moving on to orange, we actually don't really have any products that are orange colored, but we do have a tangerine colored blush, which is called Good Vibes, and this is going to be probably the closest I can get to an orange color. Now, orange blush I don't really think is my color personally for blush, but for the sake of this video I thought it would be fun to try. It's not terrible. Ooh, I went a little heavy on that side. Ooh. Okay, well, try to match it. Yeah, this is definitely not my color. I think that this would definitely look better on someone who has a deeper complexion than I do. But that's okay, this is just for fun. Now there's yellow, and again, we don't really have any yellow products, but we do have an eyeshadow called Golden Girl, which is a yellow gold, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And I'm just gonna be applying it all over my eyelids. For green, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow in the shade called All of This Color, and to really kick up that green, I'm going to also mix it with this eyeshadow in the shade called Siren. And I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner and the crease, I think. We'll see. Like I said, this is just for fun. It's not serious. Next, I need a blue, so I'm going to go ahead and line my upper lash line with this eyeliner in the shade called Deep Navy, and then I'm going to set that in place with the Mermaid Lagoon eyeshadow. Lastly, for purple, I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom lash line with this eyeliner in the shade called Eggplant, and then I'm going to top it with the eyeshadow in the shade called Violet Femme. Ooh, this is a bit much. Here is the completed makeup look. It's a little bit crazy, it's a little bit much, but you know what? Sometimes it's fun to just mess around and play and not take things so seriously. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments what your favorite color is and why. My personal favorite color is turquoise. I love that it's soothing, but it's also bright and uplifting as well. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video and take care. Bye!